Alright, so what do we have here today? So I've actually got a new power washer now. Awesome, because the old power washer was what it needed to do. And that was to wash the car. And it didn't do it very well. So what do I have here? The big boy Washr flow. Still in the box, so using it. So what do we have here? We've got the instructions. We have we have the holder. Got another spray holder. The filter attachment, and I'm guessing that's part of the quick release or whatnot. The lance, extended lance. Here we go. The hose. The spray bottle top. Obviously, the spray bottle. And actual unit. Cool. Just make sure that there's nothing in here. Nope, that's it. Awesome. So for quite a couple of years I've had a cheapy, the cheap pressure washer, and this is actually the first time I actually spent decent money in order to have a nice pressure washer. So the cool thing is that these look like hose handles, and this is the lance holder. So the cool thing is that it comes with various different heads for pressure washing, and also a telescopic handle. That's pretty handy. Okay, so let's hook this all up. Let's put the washer wattle head, the soap head into there. Itself. And these things. So for those playing at home, this goes on here. Screws one. There we go. So that's the quick fitting, and this is the connector to your hose. Cool. Since we got our hose bit here, let's stick that there. So the cool thing is that it comes with around about an 8-meter hose, which should be enough to not move the washer, but yeah, just basically just keep it where it's supposed to be. Now the lance actually goes through here. Okay, the other way. There we go, cool. Right, so you have to kind of really push it in order to get it in. Okay, so it's got a safety down there. So if you have it in the safe position, you can't press the trigger, but if you do, you can. Okay, so let's attach that. Cool, so I've got a holder there. Awesome. All right, let's stick that in there. That's easy. Awesome. Okay. Let's get this all set up. So the washer bottle, as you can see, it looks like one of those nice high-end ones, brass fittings here and everything. Also here, nice brass fittings there at the end for the quick disconnects. Yeah, let's put this all up and then tidy up here. So what I'm going to do is probably put this where it's going to live for quite some time, which is just on the corner there near the power point, and also where my host connection actually connects. Okay, so I've just given the car a bit of a quick rinse. I'll maybe do it again. You can probably see that the pressure that comes out of it is pretty good. It's not too high. Also, we'll do this side. Now with pressure washers, you don't actually need to get really close or else you're going to strip the paint from your car. You really just need to be probably as far as you see where it's starting to break up. And then if you want to apply a bit more pressure, you use a lot more. See, I'm not that far away from the stick. And this is currently using the what was it, the 25-degree head. That's good for pretty much everything. There is a bit more of a spread one, which is the 40-degree. It does also come with a 15 and 0, but that's more of a focused type of thing. So if you want to really get into the dirt, you can, or but I advise against it because you probably might strip the paint there. So now what we'll do, since we've been in the rinse, so what we're going to do is a bit of a snow wash. I've put a bit more than what I normally would. I might get rid of some water there. So usually you put the water in first, and then the snow wash. The concentration for that depends on what you're using. At the moment, I just have some old, I can't remember what brand it is, but it's not too bad. It's just some old car wash that I had. So, and that's worked for me in the past. So just give it a bit of a swirl until it's all kind of purple. Don't shake it or else it's going to all foam up. Swirl it so it's nicely mixed through there. The cool thing is that it's got the control there and also another quick disconnect. So what we'll do is disconnect the green, see, easy. and put that somewhere safe. And then put in, oh, this looks a bit phallic. Snow wash. Now, the thing is, my advice is before you pop it on the car, just see how much actually comes out. Sometimes, and that should be foamy enough. So here we go. So yeah, didn't use that much product there. I'm looking a bit phallic here. Off it comes, awesome. There we go, sorted. Usually from this step, people tend to sponge it up or whatnot and, you know, wash the dough and whatnot. I already did that last week. So today is just a touchless wash. So what that means is that we'll just, like I just did, give it a bit of a snow job and then just rinse it all off. So what we'll do is probably work our way from the top down to the bottom. So there we go. That's a touchless wash. Now you can usually just leave it here for now. There's a bit of soap there that we'll get rid of in the next step, but you don't have to do this next step. But fortunately I have a bit of a blower here, which means that I can do the full complete touchless type of setup without actually touching the car. That's pretty good because, you know, the paint works pretty good on this thing, and also it's also got a ceramic coat. You can see the beading and everything there, if you can see it properly. There's a fair bit of beading there, which with a blower will just blow straight off. So we'll do that right now. With the blower, it actually blows off all the water, as you can see here. Nice and simple, don't have to touch it, and it actually destroys the car pretty quickly. So if your car's ceramic coated, it's pretty easy to get results like this. Just blow off all the water. Easy, work from the top to the bottom. As you can see there, it's all flying off. So if you have a decent blower, all this will come off easily like that. just go there. The cool thing about that unit is that it actually warms the air up. I've got my ear things on because it's loud. You probably heard. We just maybe blow the other side of the car. Alright, so there we have it. It took me probably less than 45 minutes to wash the car from basically a touchless wash. I could have probably done it a bit quicker, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is and how quick it is to actually just do a quick maintenance wash on your car, especially if you have a dark car like mine, and I'm probably washing it every week because it's garage at the moment. When it used to be parked out front, I used to have to do it maybe twice a week or whatnot. With that said, that big boy pressure washer, sorry my hose is a bit leaky there at the moment, it's a bit crappy. The big boy washer flow, awesome, really really good compared to my old pressure washer. It wasn't that great. It didn't spray in a very consistent pressure, or the pressure wasn't good enough to actually do a snow foam job that we just saw just before out of the wash and straight out of the box, because basically, like you saw, I unboxed it, put it all together and just washed the car using the connectors that came with the car. But like I said, that was a quick and easy dirty review. I'll probably now put some tire polish on the tires, just put a bit of protectant on them, but I think that's pretty much it. That's done. Cool. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.